Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the device type of your QCY MeloBuds Pro on Android. Setting the device type to the correct one will make you be able to access all its features, like for example answering calls, or controlling music using voice assistant, or some other things. So to be able to do all that, you should go to settings and make sure that a proper device type is selected. On my phone, it'll be in connected devices. On yours, it may be either in connected devices or in something called connections. Then within that, it'll be Bluetooth. So you just need to go somewhere where you'll find your headphones being connected. In this case, it's here. Now click on the settings right here, and now audio device type, and you can set it to different ones. Of course, these are headphones, so we should set them to headphones so it works properly and utilizes all the available features. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.